Hello and welcome automators. Through this video we're going to introduce you to the Power KDP automation app, what it does, how it works, and how you can take advantage of the extra functionalities that the app offers. But before we do that, here are some of the terms you're going to hear throughout this video. Process. A process is the group of tasks that the Power KDP is going to execute. Task. A task is a single list of commands that the app executes. Each line of a given spreadsheet is considered a task. Spreadsheet. A spreadsheet or XLS file is the file that you provide for the app. It holds all the information relating to the process. PKDP. PKDP or the PKDP app is an abbreviation for the Power KDP automation app. It is the window that we're going to be using throughout this introductory video. Now that you're familiar with the terminology, let's dive right in. In the home section, you can drag and drop your formatted spreadsheet on the designated area. More on this later. Or you can select it manually by clicking Browse and navigate to your spreadsheet location, then clicking Select Excel File. Automatically, PKDP will verify your spreadsheet for any anomalies and provide you with the number of errors it has encountered. You can find a detailed report of these errors by clicking Continue. You can manually correct these errors, save your spreadsheet, then click Retry to re-verify your spreadsheet. For example, I have this file that says I have 10 anomalies. Let's open my spreadsheet and correct them. Click Retry and now it says I have 0 anomalies. On the left of the PKDP window, you will find the different sections that you can navigate through. We are currently in the Home section. Let's go to the Statistics section by clicking Statistics. In here, you're going to find information about the tasks and processes that you have executed using PKDP. These include your drafts and publications count, information about the duration of previous tasks, and a graph showing your daily usage of the app. Next, let's go to the User Defaults section by clicking on User Defaults, located on the left of the window. In this section, you can define the parameters that you want to use for each book. You can find a detailed explanation of each parameter by putting your cursor over the circled question mark next to each parameter. You don't have to do this every time you open PKDP, as it automatically saves these parameters for you. Now let's navigate to the Settings section. You may have noticed that the Dashboard section is disabled. This is because we don't have any active processes at the moment. More on this later. By clicking Settings on the left of the window, we find Settings section. In this section, you can define different settings for the app. You can change the feel of the app by switching between night and day mode. You can set your Amazon KDP email and password. These are the credentials that the PKDP app will use to log into your account. These informations will be saved locally on your device. You also need to set the Active tab parameter. Check the circled question mark for more information on this parameter. You can also define the PKDP behavior setting. Feel free to experiment with these settings. In the Settings section, you can also find the Advanced Settings subsection. More on this parameter in the guide that is given to you with the Power KDP package. At the end of the Settings section, you can find a Reset All button. This allows you to reset the PKDP to the factory settings. Please note that clicking this button will reset all your data, including your previously saved settings, your credentials, and your statistics. Now let's navigate back to the Home section by clicking on the Home button or on the PKDP logo on the top left of the window. Select the spreadsheet we want PKDP to execute and click Continue. Check the anomalies that the app has found, then click Continue. If you activate the Show User Default Settings on the Settings section, you will see the Task Setting Report, so we can be sure of our user defaults, then click Continue. PKDP will ask you for the last time if you want to start the process and inform you of how many tasks will not be executed. Click Continue. Please make sure you close your spreadsheet before starting the process. This is very important. After clicking Continue, PKDP will take you automatically to the Dashboard section. In this section, you can find all the information regarding the current process and tasks updated in real time. This section will provide you with the number of active tasks, how many tasks will be executed, the name of the spreadsheet, your Amazon KDP email address, and so on. It also provides you with the information about the active tasks, such as what each tab is currently doing and its progress. If PKDP encounters any errors during a task execution, it will be shown in the Errors subsection, along with information about that specific error and whether or not it will retry it after it finishes the active tasks queue. In the Done subsection, you can find the tasks that have been successfully executed, along with the book identifier and a direct link to its book cover. On the right of the window, you can find some pie charts that will give you further information about the process so far. The number of fatal errors. These are the tasks that have been tried for 3 times and still can't be successfully executed. And also you can find a percentage subsection where PKDP informs you about the general status of the process. Feel free to experiment with this section. Now that you're familiar with the PKDP window, let's discuss some of the best features that PKDP offers. In the case of Amazon rejecting your books, you can just edit the field that you want changed. Remove Done from the state column and PKDP will edit your books, since it has saved all the links in the link column. It is also very useful if you want to edit your previous drafts. No other app lets you do this. All you need to do is create a new spreadsheet, paste the links of the books that you want edited, and fill in with the information that you want to edit with. Future versions will include the ability to change the prices only of the pre-uploaded books. PKDP is a very intelligent app. It is very unlikely that it encounters any navigation errors during the execution of any given task. Even in the case of an error, it will retry each and every task 3 times before declaring it as a fatal error. So you can rest assured that all of your valid books will be uploaded. It doesn't end here, of course. We have a list of other services that we provide, but for that we need to navigate to the Power KDP website. So let's close the PKDP window and navigate to powerkdp.com. The first tool is the categories browser. Let's say you have a book that's about games. PKDP platform has hundreds of categories. We will help you find the category that's best suited for you. Just type in games and click search. Our tool will search through all of the categories available and give you a list for all categories that contain your keyword. All you need to do is copy the category by clicking on this icon and pasting it in the category column in the spreadsheet. Another tool is the interior generator. This tool allows you to generate your interiors. Start by browsing the available models. Choose the one that's most convenient to your niche. Our search bar makes it easy to find the most appropriate interior model, or filter the models according to a selected category. After choosing, a pop-up will appear. Choose the size that you wish and the number of pages, then click download. Also, there's a description editor. Amazon KDP allows you to style your book description using HTML, but it's boring to write HTML syntax. Well, we're here to help you with that. Just write your description and our tool will help you stylize it like you want with just a few mouse clicks. You will see how the final result will look by checking this result section. And with this, we have come to the end of the Power KDP automation walkthrough guide. For any further questions or inquiries, feel free to contact our support team. To find out more, visit our website, powerkdp.com. Power KDP Automation, KDP made easy.